Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kate, and in addition to being a plant parent, I'm a parent to a 10-month-old, which is why I'm filming at 10 o'clock at night in the dark. So I just wanted to give you a quick update on my pink princess propagation and show you how it's doing about 4 weeks later. It's almost October 2022, and if you're like me, you took advantage of the Costa Farms Pink Princess deal earlier this year. It was $50 and they sent you a Pink Princess with 2 plants in each pot, right? So when I got it, I separated the pots and they didn't have great variegation. Many of you probably can relate. I had 1 half moon and a few spots of pink like this, but overall not great. So like I said, I separated them and then I put them outside and they did really well out there as far as new growth and big leaves, super fast growth, and big bushy brown burgundy plants. So like many of you, I decided to propagate them. And there's a video on my channel from me doing that. You can check it out. This is the result of that almost 4 weeks later. So we'll start with the mother plants. This guy, obviously I left the 4 leaves, and then it has new growth with a little tester leaf. I heard that they send those out to, like, I don't know, do recon, check out how the conditions are and if it's safe to put more better leaves out or something. And there's another one, it's got a tiny little leaf there too. Yeah, can't argue with that. And then this guy has a little pup coming with like a half moon. Too bad it's, 5 centimeters long, if that. But the new growth looks really nice. It's pretty big. And it's grown a lot in the past couple of days. So, focus. There's another one also on the left poking out. And the black isn't rot. I put charcoal on all of the wounds where I cut it. Trying to be like Sean in Indonesia, if you watch Only Plants. So out of the cuttings, I got 7 cuttings and 1 little chunk because I messed up the leaf. So I want to check out this guy. Okay, it's got a nice root. Little root happening and a new growth point. So that's exciting. It'll work out. That was the only wet stick. This one had a new leaf, not unfurled yet when I cut it, and I kind of unfurled it because I got impatient. So that looks like hell, but whatever. What's great is it has a new leaf coming up the rear, so not all is lost. It's recovering, and it's got a couple good roots, 3 good roots. I gave 1 away also. This one has, you can see, I'm just going to take it out of the water. Okay. First of all, great roots. They look like horns of a dragon or something. I really like how spiky these are, like a sea creature or something reminds me of. And there's a new growth point happening right there inside the leaf. Really pretty. Looks healthy. So that's another reason I need to transfer these all to sphagnum now, so that these new growth points don't rot. But I'm a big fan of water. I mean, I am Snoopy. I like to see what's happening under the water. This is a nice big one. Again, I'm going to take it out. Oh, maybe not. Oh, look at that. Okay, what is this? Okay. That died, that's fine. Ooh, look at this one. New growth point. You gotta at least love how pink the new growth is, even if the variegation isn't there. It's kind of cool. The roots on this are stellar. And if anybody knows what these little crystals are called, like before the roots come out, I'd like to know more about that. I'm new to this. I've never seen this anyway. I've never seen these crystals. They're so shiny. It's kind of hard to capture on camera, but they're like glitter crystals. These roots are great, obviously. I could probably plant this in soil, no problem. That will do really well. Let's just hope some of these have pink. That's the whole goal. You know, I'm tempted to sell these at a plant swap next weekend, but then you're just giving up all of the anticipation of like your, effort, the fruits of your labor. There's a little guy. Hello. I've topped off this water just like once or twice since I propped him. So every 2 weeks. And we'll save the best for last. One more guy here. There's a stripy pink. Hopefully that leads to something pink. The stripe behind the root. And what's going on here? Looks like that's a nice leaf coming up inside the other one. Gotta check it out, get a closer look. Oh, there's two. One here. Cool. And one here. Nice. You know, it makes me feel like I did something right. Hopefully. And last but not least, lucky number 7. Ta-da! Top cutting. Look at that baby. That's a nice new leaf. Even if you don't have pink. Oh, there's a little stripe of pink underneath that black blemish. Alright. You've earned your rent. There's one. Is there anything else? In here. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is satisfying. Great colors. Let's see if I can get a shot of that guy. Oh, you know what? That might have been... I'm going to empty it out. That might have been a piece of perlite or something. Even though I'm not using perlite. Okay, psych. Maybe it's just putting everything into this giant leaf, which is fine. And these lovely roots. We'll take it. Yeah. As a reminder, I did put that charcoal on the wounds when I cut them. Other than that, just stuck them in some water. Watched them grow. Oh, they were... at first, they were in a south-facing window, and they were over here under that little grow light for like the first 2 weeks, where those other pothos are, whatever. And I've only had them on a heat mat for like a few days over here in my little grow tent. And I've got some just like 100-watt bulbs, and this thing shines on them. But yeah, I'm going to put these in, I'm going to add some sphagnum to all these, and maybe I'll do another update in a few weeks once things start popping. See if we get something in time for the sale. I don't want to sell anything nice and pink though, it would just be shabby stuff. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I am brand new, and every little bit helps. Happy planting.